I've only been in Quito for 2 hours and I can tell you this city is immense. It's amazing. There's so much culture. There's so many different points of interest. I'm loving it, just loving it here. Let's go, baby. Woo! I left Loja last night at 7 p.m. on the night bus. I arrived at 6:30 a.m. in Quito, an 11-hour journey, a very beautiful bus, very comfortable, but I'm absolutely cream crackered. I only slept about 3 hours, but I'm away to go on a walking tour today in Quito. Should be very interesting. Say, let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Whoops, I've lost my tour guide. It's the worst thing about losing my guide. I don't have a clue what these places are called. I'll just make up names. This is called Richard Curry Cathedral, founded back in 1878. It was only a matter of time before I encountered steps, and they are killing me. This rooftop in Quito gives you amazing views all around the main square, and I just found out that cathedral right there, we're going up it. Can't wait, it's going to be spectacular. That cathedral that we went to in there, all of the gold that you've seen painted on the walls, on the statues, that is real gold. Proper gold, you can see it flaking off. Wait till you see this amazing sight. Look at that, look at that. I just had some teenager walk up to me and he said, "Sir, please be careful. There's a lot of criminals in this area. They will steal your camera." And I had to remind him I was here with my bodyguard, Mr. Fist. Loving Quito, such an interesting city. I can't believe it's taken me 4 months before I came here.